Latvian ROPAX, RORO, AB, and junior officer, plumber, fitter to Embark 1433. As we know, Latvia is one of those countries that you have the highest taxes in Europe. Well, now southern countries are trying to be as smart as northern countries, and they are really copying how to get 50% tax for all the citizens, yes, and they print more money. But anyway, this is a huge opportunity for you if you are now ashore or if you are now willing to have social security, because Italian social security you don't need to pay sanitary assistance, pension plan, private pension plan about 700 euros. Then 2 years sailing on board, you have 2 years unemployment according Italian flag. Yeah, minimum is 6 months to get this grant, these benefits. Please find out yourself, study yourself. Huge if you are a woman, female, equality. Italy is #1 ESG, corporate social responsibility, equality, transparency. Huge fleet of 22 ROROs, 55 ROPAXes. ROROs starting 37,000 ton, ROPAX 67,000 ton. Deccan engine, both fleets. We are talking about 2,400 jobs for my loved Latvian people, yes, plus social security. After 2 years in the company, according Italian labor legislation, you are employed. Also, Italia is really the happy country, the best professionals, huge fleet to have a career. If you are a junior officer, 3-4 campaigns, either in the engine or in the deck. And if you are a rating that you want to go up from AB to third officer, please apply. Currently for motormen we don't have positions, but these ABs is 3,000 euros, junior officers 3,300, 3,400. Is supply and demand. Ships are huge, state of the art, very modern. If you are a woman, I repeat, there's plenty cabins, plenty women, as equality in Italy is #1 target. So you are welcome, and we have a huge stability. We have 14 points or 16 points competitive advantages, financial stability, Mediterranean ships. Italian people are great, the happiest people in this planet, the biggest professional and the biggest ship owner, family company here, Candina, 5 generations already working, and we want you to join this Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Candina family and the ship owner family. Apply, like and subscribe, pass throughout. English is not so necessary, but Italian it is. We will send you these 4 documents very fast because I think it is a huge competitive advantage, whether if you are an AB or if you are a junior officer, because you can have a stability and there is a huge fleet, very modern fleet, stable. And thank you very much indeed. Bye.